Hey guys, it's Caaliyah and I'm back with another video. So I did already do a brow routine in my everyday makeup video that I did about 3 months ago, but you guys still heavily ask me about my brows and my routine, so I wanted to dedicate a full video for just my brows. So just keep watching if you're interested. What I like to do is pretty much start off by brushing my brows into place and then just cleaning them up a bit. And what I do is use my tweezers to get any unwanted hairs. But if you get your eyebrows waxed, threaded, you can use a little eyebrow razor, which I do use at the top. Then definitely make sure you have that done, because I like to tell people the better you have your brows shaped and cleaned up, the easier and quicker it is to fill them in. So I love this e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. It's literally $2 at any drugstore that carries it. I get the color Neutral Brown, which is the middle shade, not too dark, not too light, and it goes on so smooth, you guys. I've been obsessed with this since I got it last summer. What I like to do is start by lining the bottom of my brow. And like I said, this is easier if your brows are full and cleaned up. But yeah, once I have it lined to the shape I want, I'm going to go in and start filling it in. And filling it in is very crucial. I do not fill in the front of my brow like crazy, because I still want my hairs to still be visible, and I want my brows to look natural. That is like the most important thing to me, is natural brows, not boxy floating brows. So yeah, then I go in on the top and lightly line it as well, and that is pretty much it. My brow routine is so quick, you guys. So make sure you're using your spoolie so that you can blend the pencil with your real brows and it doesn't look too harsh or anything. So the last step is to conceal, and I like to use this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 25 Beige. I believe this is about $5, maybe $6 at any drugstore as well. And this is the most crucial part. I only line the bottom of my brow. I don't line the top of it, because I just feel like it makes your brows stand out too much and it doesn't look natural. So all I can really say is make sure you have a nice steady hand so that you can get that nice crisp straight line. And that is about it. Once I'm done concealing and I have a nice crisp brow, then I honestly just wipe off the concealer with a Q-tip. I know a lot of people blend it out with a brush, but I just wipe it off. Now I also like a nice crisp eyebrow tail, so I do just use the leftover concealer that is on my Q-tip just to get that all nice. And then that is the end result, you guys. So let me know if you enjoyed this quick little brow tutorial. If you like how I do my brows, definitely let me know. I'll have all the products listed in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.